In this video, I will show you how to hide icons, files or folders from the desktop. For example, there is a folder test and I want to hide that one from the desktop. In order to do that, you need to click on the system settings. So you can click the system settings from the dock, or there is also option under this Apple icon, and you need to go to system settings. Under system settings, scroll down to desktop and dock. Under desktop and stage manager, there is an option show items on desktop. In order to hide the files or folders from the desktop, you need to uncheck it. So I'm unchecking it now, and you can see that folder which was there, the test folder, it's now hidden from the desktop. So if I go to the desktop, see the folder is not there. In order to see the folder, you need to go to the finder, and under finder you need to go to desktop, and you can still access the files and folders from the desktop under this option. When you are on the desktop and if you want to create a new folder, you can create that one by clicking Command Shift and N. But it is not showing here because all the files, folders are hidden from the desktop. In order to see the new folder, you again need to go to Finder and click on Desktop, and you can see that this folder has been created here. In order to again appear these files, folders on the desktop, you need to go to the system settings again. Under system settings, go to desktop and dock. There again you need to check the option for show items under desktop and stage manager, and then you can see the files and folders, those are appearing again on the desktop. Thank you.